gonna do is we're gonna put the car down the tube, and then it's gonna go by it's gonna hit this monster truck, and it's gonna knock down the domino blocks. Then it's gonna knock this down, and it's gonna hit the teeter totter, which will move this up, which will make the car go, knock off the weights, and then it'll tip the dog food over into the bowl. Ta-da! All right, ready? 1,
2,
Daryl, 3, and what? Yeah! It worked! Yay! Alright, and this is Grr. Okay.
Any ending?
Good.
Any ending? Summarize it.
Alright, this was our second try doing this, and it was amazing.
Yeah.
And we hope to show our bloopers, so bye!
Say bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
I want to say bye
amigos.
again. I want to say bye.
Adios, amigos.
I want to say bye.
Are you recording?
Daryl!
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I want to say hi. Hi. Is my
What?
button yours? Okay, I'm done.
Daryl!
Hey, Lynn. Come here.
We're not doing the thing yet.
This is our book cover.
Our Granges for the post offices, the gas station.
Bloopers! Bloopers.
Yeah, so that's Grange. So take her right there.
There's one!
No.
Don't smile, it's against the rules.
Okay?
Okay.
All right, thanks.
Don't zoom in.
Say bye-bye. There. Alright, and here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, dang it! Come on!
Kelsey.
Didn't work.
I'm not too retarded. Hi.
Hey,
I don't.
do not
Too
say
close. Too
our
close.
word. Personal space.